for another instalment of our road trip around the Malaysian peninsula. This sign used to be on the platform of the railway that used to be here. It was the first railway line in the peninsula. The line is now dismantled, but the town still has an air of a railway town with its sooty exterior. No doubt the charcoal factories might have something to do with that.
Okay, so we're at the Sepatang charcoal factory. You can take guided tours here, but all these things have to be booked in advance. And if you haven't done that, you just wander around freely and don't touch anything, I guess. And it smells like Christmas in the UK down Oxford Street with the smell of roasted chestnuts.
This is a Chinese town, famed for its curry mei, as well as its charcoal, of course. And one suddenly thought one was back in Hong Kong's new territories circa 1990 and getting one's ears tuned into the no-nonsense twang of Cantonese. And did I tell you this was a Chinese town? If you weren't already aware of that, here's more proof. All around this area, huge joss sticks and Chinese temple and procession paraphernalia are being made. What did the British ever do for us? Well, they turned this old tin mine into a public garden and introduced the pedal boat to Malaysia. Taiping was heralded as the happiest town in Malaysia. Given the dilapidated state of the town, I can only imagine that that's because of this park. What else did the British do for us? Well, where there was elephant trails, there were now railways. Well, one anyway. And where there were a few little mines, there were big ones with lots of Chinese. And the Empress Victoria made a lot of Chinese very rich, though only managed to teach cricket to the Indians. As for the Malays, well, one can't help feeling that they wondered why rivers weren't less bother than railways and why they had to buy all this British stuff that they never really wanted in the first place. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can see what happens next at facebook.com/Lawrence and Helen.